saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kinda
Welcome back to my channel for this all day at Clean With Me. I feel like I'm getting back to my roots a little bit with this one because it feels like I haven't done an all day Clean With Me clean and motivation video for such a long time. I've been busy doing lots of decluttering and organisation around the house, and I thought it's now time to give it a good clean as well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave for lots of cleaning, decluttering and organisation motivation, and let's just jump straight into today's video.
didn't care what we were told, cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass.
Today I'm starting in the bedroom by making the bed and making it look a lot more put together. I did change the bedding a couple of days ago, so it doesn't need changing, it just needs making. And then I'm going to crack on with the dusting because I think you can see how much the dust has built up on this cabinet. It's been quite a while since I've actually given it a good dust up here, and being a black cabinet, it literally shows everything. So I'm going to clear that off, clear the bedside tables off as well, and then crack on with the hoovering and just get everything nice and fresh.
Out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
So now I've finished up in the bedroom, I am just going to pop down and do the kitchen, and as you can see it's not a complete mess today, which does make a change. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the washing up away and then jump straight in to wiping down the sides, cleaning off the cupboards, because I absolutely love coming downstairs to a tidy kitchen because it just gives me more of an opportunity to clean it rather than wasting all of the time tidying it, if that makes sense. So once it's tidy, I get to go in and give it a bit more of a deep clean.
I wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
So when I decluttered under the kitchen sink, I did find quite a few bottles that were almost finished but not quite. I obviously stopped using them when I bought new ones because that is just what I do all the time. I never finish anything, but I thought I'm going to keep those separate in a different cupboard and use those before carrying on using the other ones, because again, I've not long bought another one, even though the method spray that I'm using isn't quite finished. But today I'm going to use the pink stuff because that wasn't quite finished when and I bought the method spray, and it is just a vicious circle that I get myself into. So I've got so many almost empty bottles. So today I'm just going to go around with the pink stuff, wiping over all of the sides. If you haven't watched that clean and declutter, I will have it linked in the eye at the top for you, so you can go ahead and watch that one when you finish watching this one.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Now moving on into the living room, and I was actually fixing up the cushions and making it all tidy the night before, and then remembered that I wanted to film the next day, so it has already had a little bit of a tidy up. So I'm just going to get rid of any rubbish, give it a good hoover and give it a good dust. That is a reason why I like tidying the night before, because then the next day I can go in and give it a clean, because if I spend all my time picking stuff up, throwing rubbish away and just doing the general tidying up, it doesn't get hoovered or dusted, and it doesn't really get a good clean. So on days like this, I'm really thankful that I did do a little bit of tidying the day before, just so I can go in and give it a bit more of a deeper clean. So that's what we're doing today. I'm just picking up bits that I missed, getting rid of any clothes that are just hanging randomly over the sofa, and doing the hoovering, doing the dusting, and just getting it back to like fresh, because at the moment it isn't the freshest. So we're just going to go in, freshen it all up and get it back to looking a bit more put together.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
So I know that it's only June, and I can't believe I am actually about to say this, but I really can't wait until Christmas. The last few weeks I have been Christmas crazy and super excited to get the tree up, super excited to get all of the home decor and decorations up. I have no idea what's going on with me. But let me know down in the comments what your favourite season is and why. Because mine is actually, without a shadow of a doubt, summer. I absolutely love summer. We're just approaching summer. The weather's finally picking up. So I have no idea why I am looking forward to Christmas. But that is just me. I thought I would share that with you because it is just something strange that is going on. So do let me know if you enjoy Christmas, if you're looking forward to Christmas, or if I'm crazy for even thinking about Christmas in June.
Walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. What it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy.
So I'm now just moving into the spare room / office, and I wasn't sure whether to show this to you or not because it is a little bit embarrassing, but it is just real life here on this channel, and this room has been neglected for at least a month. I do use it just to dump stuff in. I do my makeup in it, but it's not actually been cleaned for about a month. I don't even remember the last time I dusted in here. And as you can see, there's marks on the desk where there's been, like, objects have been sat and the dust has just built up around them. It's that bad in here. So I need to go in, sort it out and give it a good clean. It got to the state where I didn't want to use it because it got so bad. That's what happens. Again, this is real life, and I am sure you have got a room in your house, if you've got a spare room, that just gets neglected. So hopefully this gives you the motivation to go in and do yours as well.
It's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel.
So this little pile of stuff was from my clean and decorate video that I did about 3 weeks ago. I created a pile downstairs that needed bringing upstairs and put away, and I literally just dumped it in the spare room and forgot all about it, and it's just stayed there ever since. So I'm just going to go through all the knickknacks that don't really have a home and try and find them a home. if you saw my closet declutter video, this is everything that is being donated, but currently because of COVID-19 where we donate aren't taking donations at the moment, so we have just got to hold on to it for a little bit longer until everything opens up again and we can donate them. So I'm just going to leave those in the spare room for now. Go ahead and give it all a hoover and clear it out and everything and just make it nice and fresh.
To the sunrise, where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my
Thank you so much for watching today's All Day Clean with me. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I have got so much more cleaning motivation to come for you guys because I have been doing so much decluttering and organisation. I'm a little bit behind on the cleaning, so I have tons more to come in the next few weeks. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you back here in the next one.